Hey YouTubers, it's Woodlog 802 here. Yeah, I got around to putting a smaller steering wheel on my Case DC pulling tractor that's powered by a Cadillac 425 with a turbo 400. It's been a project. It's been stalled for a while. If I can get caught up on some other projects and sell some things, and this situation that the whole country and world is in right now turns around, maybe I'll be able to get the back half bolted back to the front half and get a drive shaft made and get a different transmission mount bracket made. Alright, well that's it. Woodlog 802 here, out.